Next page we will prepare bank reconciliation statement. This is our bank reconciliation statement. So see, this is our question. Yeah, now see what we are to do. So we are to prepare actually what? We are to prepare bank reconciliation statement, isn't it? And on which date we are to prepare bank reconciliation statement? On 31st March 2013. So in bank reconciliation statement, what we do actually, we take one book balance as a starting point. We will take either cash book balance, or we take bank statement balance, isn't it? Bank statement balance, bank statement. We will start a bank reconciliation statement with the balance either as per cash book or as per bank statement. Okay. Now see, in the question, the first statement is what? Balance as per cash book $2000. It means that cash book balance is given. Cash book balance is given, and now my target is what? I have to achieve balance as per bank statement. Balance as per bank statement. Understood or not? Cash book balance is given in the question, and now I have to compute balance as per bank statement. And for that purpose, see what I will do. I will prepare bank reconciliation statement. And now see in the next page, first in the question, balance as per cash book given na? Balance as per cash book. So first I will write this. Balance as per cash book. As per cash book. Okay, understood? And see, nothing in the question, it is not mentioned that this balance of $2000 is debit balance or credit balance. So we will assume that this balance is debit balance, and debit balance as per cash book is positive for us. Remember this, debit balance as per cash book is positive for us. So that's why this balance I will write in this column, positive column. Debit balance as per cash book, and I will write the amount of balance in which column? Positive column. Okay. Now my target is what? I have to find out balance as per bank statement. This is our target. So as per target, I will add some figures and I will subtract some figures as per the target. My target is what now? Bank statement. Now see what are the points, rest items. See, now after this, what is given in the question? Read out. What are these are the reasons. These are the reasons for the difference between the balance as per cash book and balance as per bank statement. Understood or not? These are the reasons. Now these reasons I will sort out. Now read out the first reason. So when customer deposit the amount $1000 in my account directly, what will happen? Bank statement will increase na, the balance of bank statement will increase, and we didn't recorded this transaction in the cash book because we don't know that customer has done this. So that's why we didn't record this transaction in the cash book. So my cash book balance is as it is na. There is no change in the balance in cash book. Cash book balance remains same, and bank statement balance increased. Okay. Now in this question, my target is what? My target is bank statement, not cash book, because cash book balance is given. Now my target is bank statement. Getting my point? So to reach this target, what I have to do? To reach this target, I have to move upward side. Move upward side means I have to add this figure. So I will write here direct deposit by a customer, and I will add na this amount, and the amount is what? And the amount is what? 1000, and I have to add. So that's why I will write this amount in this positive column. Okay, as I have to add this figure. Now next transaction, we received a check from John, no doubt, $500, and deposited into the bank. Okay, so when we receive check from someone and we deposit the check into the bank, then what we will do? We will record this transaction in the cash book first. The day I got this check, immediately I deposited this check into the bank. So immediately I recorded this transaction where? In the cash book, and due to this, cash book balance increased, because receiving check is a good thing. Whenever we receive check, we feel very happy. So I got this check, I deposited this check into the bank, And the moment I deposited this check into the bank, immediately I recorded this transaction in the cash book, because cash book is with me. So I recorded this transaction in the cash book. So cash book balance increased, isn't it? But what is given in the question? But not yet collected by bank. And as this check amount is not collected by bank, so bank didn't pass any entry for this transaction in the bank statement. So bank statement balance remain as it is. Now my target is what? Bank statement na? My target is bank statement, and to reach this target I have to move downward side. Downward side means subtract. I have to subtract this amount. Yeah, so second, write down check deposited, check deposited but not yet collected, and I have to subtract this amount, isn't it? So that's why this 500 I will write in this negative column, as I have to subtract this amount. Yeah, now see the next transaction. See, we issued check. Okay, we issued the check and the amount is what? $400. So the day when we issued the check, we entered this transaction in the cash book. In the cash book we entered this transaction, and due to which what happened? Cash book balance decreased, isn't it? Because the moment we issue the check, we will record this transaction in the cash book, and due to this what will happen? Cash book balance will decrease. Okay, but what happened? See later on, but the person to whom I gave this check, he didn't present this check into the bank for payment purpose, and as he didn't present this check into the bank for payment purpose, so the balance in bank statement will remain as it is. So now my target is bank statement. I have to reach this bank statement, so I have to go upward side. Cash book balance decreased, but passbook balance remains as it is. Bank statement balance remain as it is. And now my target in this question, my target is bank statement. Right now I am here, so to reach this target I have to move upward side, isn't it? And upward side means add. So see, I will write this figure here. Check issued but not presented for payment, but not presented for payment. And what is the amount? $400. Agree? And I have to add this amount now. That's why I wrote this 400 in this positive column. Yeah, now see the next transaction. Which is our next transaction? Bank allowed us interest, isn't it? And so bank immediately recorded this transaction in the bank statement, and the bank statement balance increased. Interest allowed. Bank is not charging interest, actually bank is allowing us interest. So this is good thing for us. Okay, interest allowed by bank. How much interest bank allowed to us? 400. So and bank entered this transaction in the bank statement. So and bank statement balance increased, but cash book balance remained as it is, as this transaction not recorded in the cash book. Written not entered in the cash book. So as this transaction is still not recorded in the cash book, so cash book balance remains as it is. Cash book balance didn't change, it's remained as it is, but my target is now bank statement. So to reach this target, what I have to do? I have to move upward side. Upward side means add. So I will write here interest allowed by bank. What is the amount? 400. Let me see the amount. The amount of interest is 400. Okay,